Hey YouTube, it's me Courtney, also known as White Girl. Hit me up on all the social medias. Today I am doing a haul. I went to a beauty convention in New York City. I was invited by my friend who's a hairdresser. Shout out to Jamie, Jalen Salon. So we went there today and I got a bunch of Morphe products. So yeah, we're just gonna dive right into it. I pretty much just bought stuff from Morphe, and I got a couple things from NYX and one other random item. Like and subscribe, comment down below what else you'd like to see from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so first off, we're gonna start with brushes. I got a bunch of brushes. First one, I haven't even opened it. I've opened some of this stuff, but not all of it. The first one is called the Morphe R9 Brush. So it looks like this. And it's a contour brush, basically. It's really nice. Really get in there in the hollows of your cheek. So I'm excited to start using this. That is our first brush. Now the next brush I got is similar. I should have opened these beforehand. Okay. So the next brush I got is the Morphe E47 brush. And it kind of looks like a miniature contour brush. This is the one I just mentioned, the E47. This is the other one. So it's like a smaller version, and I got it so I could use it to contour my nose because it's really thin. I thought that'd be nice. Sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I want to make sure I'm in focus. The next brush I got is Morphe R36. Looks like this. It's a highlighter brush, so it's on cheeks. I heard about this from Jaclyn Hill, so it's actually a really nice brush, so I'm excited to start using it. So my next brush is the Morphe E22. It's basically a blending brush for your eyes, so you can get right in the crease. So blend it out. Very nice brush. I love eyeshadow brushes. You can never have enough eyeshadow brushes. The next brush I have is Morphe R37. Kind of looks like a highlighter brush, except it's smaller. But this is for your eyeshadow. So and it's thinner than this one, which is nice. So it makes it easier to get in the crease. So this is for like more blending, and this is for more getting in there. So maybe if you want to do a cut crease look, this could help. Okay. The next brush I have, and again, looks very similar to the other ones. It's a Morphe R40. I'm just going to show you a comparison. So this is the R40. This is the last one I showed you, the R37. This one's more fluffy. And then this is the other blending brush, so this one is still the fluffiest of those eyeshadow brushes. But yeah, another blending brush. Next brush I have is the Morphe E14 brush. To be completely honest, I don't remember what this is for. I just saw it and I liked it. I mean, it's for your eyes. It could just be like an eyeshadow all over the lid kind of brush. So it's that. It's a little bit more stiff than the other ones. It's not as fluffy. So yeah, I mean, one of those. Another blending brush. How'd you know? Me? Never. Next one is the Morphe R34. Oops. Sorry, I cannot. Went a little crazy with the brushes. I'm just gonna hold them all up to each other so you can see. Okay, we have two more brushes. And they're both blending brushes as well. This is the Morphe M511. M511. Looks very similar. Oh, so yeah, I got my nails done, redid. And I got them done a few days ago and I love them. They look, they're great, but today when I was in the city, this happened. Yeah, I know, I'm a wreck. My bag like slipped from my hand and then snapped my nail off, so that was great. And it was bleeding. So yeah. Anyways, the M511 brush, and the last brush I have is the M573. It's a little messed up. I'm gonna just hold all the eyeshadow brushes next to each other so you can see them. All very similar. All very like fluffy brushes. But you know, you can never have too many eyeshadow brushes. Like I always have dirty brushes, so I love getting new ones. And then this one, which is the stiff one. All done with brushes. But the next thing I got, which I already opened, I opened a few of these things, is the sponge. The Morphe sponge. Why am I using my bad hand? I should be going like this. You can go, Courtney. But I also heard about this from Jaclyn Hill as well. I've been wanting to try it out for a while, so I'm pretty excited. And I'm going to try baking with the sharp edge, carving out my contour. As well as my nose, I think. So that would be nice. Okay. Next is concealer. I wanted to try this out. I don't remember who I heard about it from. I heard about it from someone. I don't remember. This is the concealer. It doesn't have any name. Oh, it's in sand. That's what it's in. It's pretty nice. I'll do a little swatch for you guys. Pretty full coverage, and it blends pretty easily. So, you guys can see that. Kind of hard to see, but it blended out. It's really nice. I'm excited to try that. Oh yes, in relation to brushes, I'm so excited about this. Once again, heard about it from Jaclyn Hill, and it is the Morphe brush holder, and it's magnetic and opens like that, and then all your brushes are right there, and they don't get messed up. They're just right there, nice and flat. I already put my brushes in it. I couldn't wait. And now I'm about to pop these new ones in here too. Next, from Morphe, I got some lashes. And these are premium lashes in Go On and Fake It. And the name of them is Hypnotic. I like these because they look nice and fluffy. They're also faux mink. They're nice and fluffy without being too much. The other lashes I saw there, they were really big. And I feel like big lashes look just strange on me. Maybe because I don't have like huge eyes. But yeah, I like these because they're like glam, but they're like still natural at the same time. And I'm gonna also put them in here. I heard about this from, I want to say it was Amanda Ensing. This is the Morphe eyelash case. So yeah, I'm gonna store my favorite lashes in here, and I can bring them places like traveling and stuff. So that'd be nice. Got that. Now onto palettes. I got a bunch of palettes. Don't ask why. The first palette, this is the DD. It says DD. I don't know what that means. I'm assuming it's my highlighting palette that I got. Yep, but I would be right. Okay. This is a highlighting palette. I'll do a little swatchy swatch for you. Rub it around. What? Oh, sorry about my nails. They look crazy. That's so pretty. You see that? Yeah. See that? Oh, that's pretty. It's like a golden highlighter. That's nice. The next palette that I got is, well, the 10 CON. This is a contour palette, a concealer and contour palette. I got this for, well, for myself, but also for when I do people's makeup. So I'll have more options. Yeah, simple. Just a bunch of cream and cream concealers, cream bronzers. So I'm excited. Next palette I have is the brow palette. I love to just try new brow products, see if I could find new stuff. So this is that, and it comes with 6 different shades, and then it comes with 2 cream concealers, so you can carve out the brow, which is really nice. I'll list all of these products below, so if you guys want to buy them, you can. And the last palette I got from Morphe was the 35B Colorburst palette. I needed a colorful palette because I don't really have colorful palettes. But this one's gorgeous. I'm excited to do some like pops of color. So let's test out this pigment. I'm gonna go with green because green is my favorite color. So I'm gonna put my finger around. Yeah, okay, we can work with that. I love Morphe products. They are so fairly priced and such good quality. Like, look at it, that's such good pigment. Just by like one little. All right. Lastly, I have 3 more things that I want to talk about, and they're not from Morphe. I did go to NYX and I picked up 2 things. So the first thing is the NYX 3-in-1 brow pencil in ash brown. Looks like that. So it has a brow pencil like that, and it actually is really I'll just show you. It's really easy. Like, I hardly even touch my hand. That's awesome. And then on the other end, it has a brow gel. And then it also has a smudger right here. Courtney, why can't you do me right? This is a smudger, so when you can like fill in your brows. To be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna use that part. I just like the pencil part the most. We'll see. I'm not gonna tell you to try it. And then the other thing I got from NYX is this gotcha covered concealer. That was waterproof. Okay. It's a little tube. It's pretty, I tested it out a little bit and it's pretty good coverage, I'd say. The last thing I want to talk about, which I thought was so cool, is by this company called Allure, and it's a crystal pad. This thing is the coolest. So it looks like this, and I don't know if you guys have ever tried these before. I've always wanted to. All you gotta do is basically rub where you want to get rid of your hair, and it comes right off. I'm not even kidding. Like, I just did it on my legs. So easy. I did it in like 10 minutes, both legs. And you can just do it while you're like chilling, you know? so that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I have a lot of exciting ideas for my YouTube channel. I cannot wait for you guys to see, and I'm just loving it. Like, I'm having so much fun with this, so I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am. So I have to go wash this makeup off my hand, eat some food, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!